Hi, it's Alan Berg, and I'm very excited to be coming down to sunny Florida for the Love and Sunshine Destination Wedding Conference, October 27th and 28th at the beautiful Westin Fort Lauderdale Beach. I'll be presenting two topics: Make Them Love You, creating an exceptional customer experience. See, people buy from you not just because of what you do, but because of the experience that they have when they're dealing with you. And then I'll be talking about, can your business survive without social media? I know that's a crazy topic these days, but a lot of you are putting efforts in and not really getting a return. So, can your business survive without it, or what do you need to be doing? And of course, I'll be there Sunday the 26th for the Pink Gala. What a great event, and I hope to see you there as well. So sign up now for the Love and Sunshine Destination Wedding Conference, October 27th and 28th at the beautiful Westin Fort Lauderdale Beach. I'll be there. I hope to see you there as well. Thanks.